So next question. Would you rather have the ability to instantly teleport anywhere in the world or be able to fly at the speed of sound? Would you rather be able to instantly be teleported anywhere in the world or have the ability to fly at the speed of sound? And that question goes to Krystal.
Isn't that almost like the same thing?
They
Like,
are, but a little bit different.
I'm trying to understand how they're different. And would I rather teleport anywhere in the world or travel at the speed of sound?
Yes.
But can't I travel at the speed of sound anywhere in the world too?
Really, the biggest difference one is you're flying, so you're able to be up in the air, and it's a little bit slower. And then teleport is instantaneous.
Oh, well, I guess teleport instantaneous. I can just have a thought and then instantly be in Jamaica on the beach, right?
Yeah, that's right.
Oh, I would love it if I could just teleport anywhere in the world, just have a thought and just travel and be unlimited. That would be amazing. I would choose that. uh, that's my answer.
All right, thank you, Krystal.